How to log into ALDI Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into ALDI Career. Login in ALDI Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit ALDI Career, type ALDI Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the ALDI Career homepage, click on job alert, then there will be the sign up page. If you don't have an account yet, then fill the details, but this time we are logging in, so scroll down and click on the returning user. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your ALDI Career in the designated field. Click on get link. After entering your credential, click on the get link button to proceed. It will give you the link on your Gmail and click on that. Access your career dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to ALDI Career dashboard. Here you can manage application, update your profile and explore new opportunities. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.